our respected ICSC Principal Kavita Chandran Ma'am, respected teachers, non-teaching staff, parents and our dear students. Welcome to the annual investiture ceremony of PNC Cognitio School. Today, we honor and celebrate the appointment of our new student leaders who will guide and inspire us throughout the upcoming academic year. I would just like to add that as it is a ceremony, kindly do not clap your hands at any given point of time. Also, refrain from clicking photos on mobile as the school has already arranged for a professional photographer. Let us now begin this auspicious event with the lighting of the lamp. I request our respected Chairman Sir, Sri Ramanjanaya, our respected Director Nagesh Sir, our respected IGCSE Principal Mini Adhikari Ma'am, our respected ICSC Principal Kavita Chandran Ma'am, and a respected Ravi Sir to kindly come forward and light the lamp.
Today on in the stage today, we taken on today on in the stage today. Param, 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 pam, pam, param, 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 pam, pam, param, 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 pam, pam, param, 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 pam, pam. See how
Sanford's working leaders sing.
See how
Smartly Jacqueline on her head.
See how
Both are when her targets end.
See how harmonize and spend and spread. We taken out today on in the stage today. We taken out today on in the stage today. We
Taking on today on in the stage today. Taking on today on in the stage today.
param 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 pam pam param 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 pam pam.
Param, 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 pam, pam. Param, 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 pam, pam.
We spare,
Promise and destination.
we give purest form of energy. Challenges, hurdles cannot stop our way.
Building all the barriers down in May.
We taken on today on in the stage today.
We taking on today on in the stage today. Taking on today on in the stage today. We taking on today on in the stage today.
Heart and soul do we dedicate to our house and school, just a place we made. Heart and soul do we dedicate to our house and school, just a place we made. We taken out today on in the stage today. We taken out today on in the stage today. We taken out today on in the stage today. We taken out today on in the stage today.
मर के जीना मांगने वाली चीज नहीं है, मौका उसका जिसने छीना। गिरना उठना उठ के चलना, चढ़ जा अंबर जीना जीना। याद रहे ये शर्त सफर की, पीछे मुड़ के देख कभी ना। जीत का जुनून है तो हार सोचना क्यों, जब जिंदगी है एक ही, दो बार सोचना क्यों। मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है। मैं एक पन्ना क्यों रहूं, मुझे दास्तां बनना है। मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है। धड़कने यही तो मजा है, किया जो किसी ने नहीं हम करें। कोई तो वजह है जो जिद पे अड़ी है ये धड़कने। हाँ यही तो मजा है, किया जो किसी ने नहीं हम करें। ललकार की घड़ी है ये बेकार सोचना क्यों, जब जिंदगी है एक ही, दो बार सोचना क्यों। मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है। मैं एक पन्ना क्यों रहूं, मुझे दास्तां बनना है। मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है।
Chandran ma'am to please come forward and deliver the welcome speech.
To welcome you all to the significant event. Leadership is not just about titles, it is about inspiring others and making a positive difference. Today we are here to entrust our student leaders with responsibilities that will shape their character and prepare them for future challenges. Congratulations to all the leaders and keep the same spirit throughout the year, throughout your life. Thank you.
Now we shall move on to the most awaited part of the ceremony, the investiture of our new student leaders. As I call your names, please come forward to receive your badges. Who sets a positive example through his dedication to academic success and leadership. Our head girl, Ovia of grade 8, who exemplifies leadership through her proactive approach to school initiatives and student welfare. I would like to request our respected chairman, Sri Ramanjanaya sir, to kindly pin the badge and offer
Kajal.
by his outstanding performance in track and field. Our Vice Captain Fahbeda of grade 8, who thrives both in the classroom and on the sports field. I would like to request respected Ravi sir to kindly say a few words and pin the badges. academic achievements are complemented by her passion for exploration in various cultural activities. Our Vice Captain Joshua of Grade 7, who is not only a top performer academically, but also a dedicated member of the Cultural Club enriching the campus life. I would like to request our respected Nagesh sir to kindly pin the badges. Discipline Captain Yashmita of Grade 7, who balances her academic success along with her role in promoting discipline and order through the school. Our Vice Captain Akshayani of Grade 8, whose academic success is matched by her leadership role in promoting discipline and responsibility amongst her peers. I would like to request respected Nagesh sir to kindly pin the badges. House Captain Daksh of Grade 8, who leads by example, promoting unity and school spirit among students. Our Vice Captain Pranati of Grade 7, who inspires peers with her passion for community involvement and academic excellence. Contributions to fostering a positive school environment. Our Vice Captain Disha of Grade 7, who is chosen for her exemplary leadership and dedication to our school community. To collaborate effectively and contribute meaningfully to group projects is impressive. Our Vice Captain Shreya of Grade 7, whose passion for learning and intellectual curiosity set a great example for her peers. Our Varahamihira House Captain Akshat of Grade 7, whose sense of responsibility and reliability make him a role model for others. Our Vice Captain Nakshatra of Grade 8, whose ability to collaborate effectively and contribute meaningfully to the inside and outside of the classroom is impressive. Our Band Captain Nithya of Grade 8, whose initiative and proactive approach to the curriculum are highly valued.
All the captains, repeat after me. With integrity, respect and dedication, I promise to fulfill my duties to the best of my abilities and inspire others to achieve excellence.
Backbone of today's ceremony and has immensely shaped our curriculum by organizing various sports activities and events. And Abhinava Gupta, represented by the color yellow, mascot hummingbird. The hummingbird symbolizes energy, agility and resilience. Abhinava Gupta's dynamic and profound contributions to philosophy and aesthetics are mirrored in the hummingbird's vibrant energy and ability. And read the oath.
The vibrant agility of House Abhinava Gupta.
and mathematics, the eagle embodies the aspiration to achieve greatness and wisdom. House Aryabhatta, represented by the eagle, is a symbol of vision and strength. Let us now present the oath and motto of House Aryabhatta. I invite the team lead of House Aryabhatta, respected Sushma Teku ma'am, to please come forward and read the oath.
We pledge to strive for excellence with vision and strength, embodying the wisdom and freedom of House Aryabhatta.
And leadership. Baudhayana's groundbreaking work in geometry and number theory is mirrored in the lion's fearless pursuit of excellence and its ability to lead and inspire. House Baudhayana, represented by the lion, is a symbol of courage and leadership. Let us now present the oath and motto of House Baudhayana. I invite the team lead of House Baudhayana, respected Kalavati M. ma'am, to please come forward and read the oath.
We pledge to lead with courage and strength, inspired by the fearless pursuit of excellence of House Baudhayana.
And stability. Varahamihira's work required a solid foundation of knowledge and the ability to understand complex systems, much like the elephant's strong and stable presence in the natural world. House Varahamihira, represented by the elephant, is a symbol of wisdom and stability. Let us now present the oath and motto of House Varahamihira. I invite the team lead of House Varahamihira, respected Archana Ramakrishnan ma'am, to please come forward and read the oath.
We pledge to uphold wisdom and stability, following the strong and steady path of House Varahamihira.
Sir Sri Ramanjanaya to kindly offer a few words of encouragement to our student leaders.
I am also honored that so many of you have joined us today as its working day, and so grateful to be able to share this moment with my dear students. Today we pay tribute to the emerging leaders amongst us, those who have shown their dedication, resilience and commitment towards our collective goals. I wish the students all the very best, and you all should be led by examples. It is the discipline that makes you finish what you have started. Therefore, you all should be disciplined and follow the rules. Thank you.
Respected Director Nagesh sir to kindly share a few inspiring words with our students.
So good morning to everyone. Good morning. Today marks a significant milestone in the academic calendar of our school. Identify the leadership. The leadership is all about embracing a mantle, understanding the weight of responsibility and a commitment to serve. To our newly selected leader students, we extend our heartfelt congratulations. Your peers have placed their trust in you, and it is now your duty to honor the trust and with actions that reflect our core values of respect, integrity, excellence and empathy. As you don your badges today, remember that you are true leaders and will be your role models. And you all need to lead by example and with humanity. To our students, I encourage you to support your leaders, work collaboratively with them, and contribute positively to our school community. In conclusion, let us remember that this investor ceremony is not just an event, but a commitment to the values we hold. Once again, congratulations to our new student council. May you lead with wisdom, courage, and compassion. Thank you.
Appointed leaders to please take your positions. Our newly appointed leaders shall now deliver a few words.
And dedication and making our school an even better place. Thank you. Grade 8, as a head girl, I'm committed to upholding the values of our school and fostering a spirit of unity and excellence among all students. Thank you.
Present here, I'm 9th student from grade 8. As the sports captain, I embody resilience, teamwork, and sportsmanship. Together, we celebrate victories and learn from challenges.
To the front and present your speech.
Present here today. I am Sahasra from grade 8. I am thrilled to take on the role of the cultural captain. Together, we will celebrate our talents and bring vibrancy to all the school events. Thank you.
I request the discipline captain to kindly come to the front and address the audience.
Good morning everyone, I am Ishmita from grade 7. As a discipline captain, I will strive to maintain a respectful and orderly environment in our school, ensuring that every student feels safe and valued. Thank you.
I now request the band captain to kindly proceed to give your speech to the audience.
Good morning everyone. I am Nitya from grade 8. As a band captain, I am honored to lead such a talented group of musicians. This year, let's strive and excellence in every note. We play and unity in every harmony. We create together. We will showcase our passion, dedication, and musicality at every performance. Thank you.
Thank you so much, leaders. With this, we have now come to the end of today's ceremony. Presence has graced the occasion and it only portrays your support and affection towards our students as they embark on a new journey and for the national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you everyone for being a part of this memorable ceremony. Let us give our new leaders a big round of applause as they embark on their new journey.